What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bad Vibes Forever by PnB Rock and Trippie Redd. If you are new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will show up to your next birthday party in my birthday suit. And that means I'm gonna be naked, so you don't want any of that. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, guys, this song's in standard tuning, and it's only alternating between two different chords. As always, I'll have the chord diagrams in the video description, so if you need those, jump into the description below. Once you get done, the chord diagrams and the free ebook will be there for you. You're starting with this chord here. It's going to be 0-6-6-8-8-8. Nothing on the low E, and then I'm using my index finger to bar the 6th fret on A and D, and then my ring finger to bar the 8th fret on G, B, and E. That's your first chord there. Your next chord, you're just barring the entire 8th fret with your middle finger. I use my middle finger because it's the strongest, but you can use any finger, but you're barring the entire 8th fret, starting with the A string, still not touching the low E string. Just... Next part is the confusing part. It's the strumming pattern for this, but I will show you exactly how you play it. You're going to start on your first chord, and you're just going down strums. It's down, 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 up, and then you switch. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. That's the first part of the strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down. That's your first part. Go back to the same chord and do the exact same thing. Down, 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 and then mute just after 2 downs on the second chord. So all that so far is down, 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 down. Quick mute there. So one more time. Down, 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 down. One more time, just so you guys can really get it down. Down, 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 down. That was the first half of the strumming pattern. The second half, you're starting off the same way. You're just going down, 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 down. But when you go to this chord, it goes 3 down strums. You let it ring for an extra little second, and then you mute it. It looks like down, 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 mute. So you play the first half, then you play this. Down, 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 down. Then you hear that little hammer-on pull-off there. That's 8 on the B string, 9, 8, and you're just hammering on and pulling off really quickly. And then jumping back to the first chord for 2 down strums. So that entire second half of the strumming pattern looks like this. Down, 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 down. And then it all starts over. So I'm going to play the entire thing very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. Down, 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 down. That's the entire thing. That just repeats throughout the entire song. So here it is again. Down, 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 down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.